Dead ahead. This means directly in front, straight ahead, and is often used to describe something that is directly in one's path or line of sight. The phrase dead ahead has nautical origins, used by sailors to describe something that is directly in the path of a ship. It has been in use since at least the 18th century and is still commonly used in navigation. For example, the lighthouse is dead ahead, just keep steering straight. Or, we could see the finish line dead ahead after the last turn.